The church preached heavily on the Most High loving the world and saving the world. They used the doctrine of the Most High dying to save his creation from sin to fill the seats in the various religious faiths. When it comes to Adam and Eve, mercy and grace is not extended to them. The church and religion made Adam and Eve appear to be unrepentant sinners. Religion made it seem as if the Most High cast away Adam and Eve, just like the church make it seem as if the Most High put away his chosen people. The spiritual Israel doctrine was created in religion to replace the people the Most High called by his name. The Most High said he would never leave nor forsake his people. The Most High never replaced his chosen people with anyone else.